Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As I promised, I'm recapping my amazing trip to Israel, and we are kicking things off with our time in Tel Aviv, which was probably my favorite part of the entire trip. This city is so vibrant and full of life, and there's always something to do, from shopping, food, and nightlife, and the people are so friendly anywhere you go. I loved exploring this city so much. But anyway, let's get this thing started, shall we? During our stay in Tel Aviv, we stayed at Harrod's Hotel, which was right on the beach. I'm not gonna lie, I was not super upset about waking up with an ocean view every morning. Right after we dropped our bags off, we went for a little stroll down the boardwalk and found the cutest beachfront bar, ironically enough, called La La Land. I never turned down a cocktail on the beach, and it was such a great way to take in the sunset. The beachfront here reminded me a lot of Venice Beach, but a lot more clean. Let's head to the city, shall we? Not far from where everyone is catching waves and rays is the bustling modern city of Tel Aviv. It's kind of crazy to think that even a couple decades ago, most of this wasn't even here. The shopping is honestly one thing I enjoyed so much. We stumbled into so many little boutiques with designers I'd never seen before. It was pretty hard not to spend all my shekels. Another thing I loved about Tel Aviv was the food. Oh my gosh, seriously, we had some of the most delicious meals that I've had in a long time. My sisters and I loved Max Brenner's chocolate shop. If you have a sweet tooth like me, then you definitely have to stop by. You can thank me later. Obviously, when you find yourself in front of a carousel so picturesque, you gotta do it for the gram. Am I right? Ah, Tel Aviv, you really just have the best sunsets. Alright guys, well that's all for now. Stay tuned for more adventures from Tel Aviv, and if you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Until next time, thanks for tuning in.